Today, let us start our session with to find area and circumference of a circle. Let us write a program for the same. So first comment section, here we are writing to find area and circumference of a circle. This is the comment section. Next section we start with header file or linker section. Linker section starts with hash include standard header files iostream.h and no semicolon. Again one more header file hash include conio.h. This is linker section. Next section is definition section or global variable declaration section. Here in this example we know the formula for this. Here area is equal to pi r squared and circumference equals to 2 pi r. In this example there is a constant pi. This is symbolic constant. This can be declared here under definition section with hash. Again after this we can write hash define variable I can make use of as pi and value is 3.1416 and again here no semicolon. A main function, that is void main function, and open this braces. Next one we have to write the executable statements. So first step we have to enter values of these variables radius. If it is enough, if you write only once. Here we have to declare local variables here. There are area is one variable, radius is one more variable, and c is one variable, and pi we have used already here as a constant. So in this example we may require three variables, that is a area, r for radius, and c, and we have to declare the same here. Double is a data type. I am using this to store the values of area, and here is comma as a delimiter, radius, circum as a variable to store circumference. After this you can make use of clear screen function. This is to clear the output screen. And please note students, each and every statement in C++ must end with a semicolon. It indicates end of a C++ statement. After clear screen we have to enter values of radius. So here I will write here with output statement cout enter radius. I say enter radius. I am closing this. I can make use of endl as a manipulator semicolon. Next step is to accept the values of radius. So here I can write here cin input statement, variable is radius, and semicolon. So this is cout enter radius. Then after we have to enter the values of radius. Next step is to applying formula. Here after this one variable is area. So I can write here area equals, area is a formula, pi. What is the value of pi? Already we have declared the pi as a constant. So I can write here it is pi and r squared. It is nothing but r into r. So this is asterisk multiplication symbol, and here variable is radius. I have to write here radius star radius semicolon. So this is applying formula, and one more formula we have to write here, that is CIR that is equals. So here as I told you it is a very case sensitive language. So we have to make use of exactly how we have declared in our declaration section. So circum formula is 2 pi r, 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by radius semicolon. Then after applying formula, next step is to display the result, that is area and circumference. I can say see out of a circle equals, closing the double quote, and using this operator, the variable is area. I am writing here area, and endl is a manipulator. It takes the control to the next line. So this is, with the help of this statement, we are printing the value of area. Next, similarly, we have to print circumference. See out circumference. Circumference equals, close the quote, again this operator, and here variable is cum, then endl. After printing the output, you have to close the program. Generally we use get input function to close with, and here I am closing void main section here. So this is void main open braces, and this is closed braces. In between void main, inside the function void main, between these two braces, we are supposed to write a programming statement. These are called executable statements. So this is a simple program to find or to print area and circumference of a circle. The output would be output of the program. It would be, first statement is enter radius. You will get a statement enter radius. Because of input statement, we are supposed to enter value of radius 3.5 as the value. Next, accepting the value from the input device, it processes it, and after processing, it displays the result area of circle equals. After this, we display area of circle equals the value of area, or the result of this calculation, the value stored in the variable area. Area of circle is 38.465. So after this, next statement is circumference. Circumference equals the value of circumference after calculating with the help of this formula, that is, this is the output of this program to find area and circumference of a circle. Students, now we will show you how to work out C+ program in computer. Dear students, welcome to our online practical classes. Let us try a program. Students, first on your desktop screen you find an icon as a DOS box icon, that is C++ software. You have to double click on this icon, so it opens a C++ screen. So here is the place we have to type the programs. Now we have to start with new file. We have to go to menu file and new. It opens one window, is a new window. You can enlarge the window, and here is a place we have to start typing our C++ programs. Program starts with a comment section. Here we can write heading of the program. I can write here program to find area and circumference of a circle. Next is linker section. It starts with header files, standard header files, hash include iostream.h, another header file, hash include conio.h. Next, program starts with main function, that is void main. And here in this example, we have to make use of a constant that is called pi, because area of circle formula is a equal to pi r squared. So that pi we can declare under definition section with reserved word hash define. Here hash define, variable is pi, value is 3.1416. Here void main, open this bracket. First we have to declare the variables. In this program we will make use of variables like radius, area and circumference. I am making use of circum. Next line is we can make use of clear screen function. This is used to clear output screen. Next we can display a message in the output screen to enter radius. So we can write here enter radius, close the quote, and with the operator, and we can make use of endl, it is a manipulator. Next step is to input the values, that is in variable is radius. We have to use the same variable what you have declared in declaration section. So radius. Next step is applying formula. Formula is area equals, it is pi r squared. Pi we are not supposed to write the value 3.14 because we have used the variable pi under definition section. Pi r squared, that is radius multiplied by radius semicolon. Similarly, we have to find out the circumference of a circle. Formula is 2 pi r, 2 multiplied by pi is the variable and radius. After applying formula, next step is to print the result. So we have to make use of output statement cout. Here we can display area of a circle equals with the operator, and here we have to close this, and with the operator variable is area, and we can make use of endl manipulator. Similarly, we have to output or we have to print circumference of a circle equals, close the quote, with the operator, and variable is cum semicolon. Next we have to close with get ch input function. Next close the void main here. So this is a program we have typed in the editor or a screen. Next step is we have to save the file. Go to file menu, select save option, and you can delete the existing path shown here. We can write the file name as cir.cpp. cpp is an extension name of C++ program. Then you have to click on OK. Once if the already file is existing, you can say yes or no. Once if the file name is given, you can see the file name in this window. Next step is to compile the program. Go to compile menu, select compile option here or Alt plus F9. Then it checks for the errors. Now it says there are 4 errors. Now we can check for the errors, press any key. Now we display errors. First, if you look at the error here, it says that iostream.h, there is a spelling mistake. So you can go to that line, you can correct that mistake, stream.h. Again, go to file option, save the file, compile the file. Now it says 0 error. So this process has to continue till we get 0 errors in our program. Next you have to execute the program or run the program. Go to run menu, select run option, or directly we can make use of Ctrl plus F9. Once if you select that option, it shows an output screen. Here we are supposed to enter the value of radius. Now I am going to write here value as 3.5. Then press enter key. Now it displays the result like this. Area is 38.4846 and circumference is 21.9 9918. After this, we have to press enter key. It will go back to main screen. Now after this, you can close the file by file menu, then select quit. You will select the quit option. You will come out of C++ software. Now it is a DOS prompt. Again, if you type the command exit, you will come out of the DOS prompt. So this is how we execute programs in computers. Thank you very much.